This has been fantastic for our students because first of all it gets them not just out of the building but out of the country.
We push very strongly about community development. The ones who are more advanced, for instance, help us to mentor the ones who are still discovering what they want to do.
It's amazing to have the opportunity to represent our country here. It's so funny.
My background is basically computer science, so I had no idea of like what is model competitions are for and what is like a canvas. So after coming here, it was amazing to like know more about that.
It's so multidisciplinary too. So being able to talk to other scientists, just exchange of ideas.
University-based competitions are the best competitions to learn how literally to build startups from 0 to the 100.
To just see people come together for the same common goal, the same common mission is just really empowering, really motivating.